Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nkoya aka NdiNaija. Ja, ja, ja. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yo, I apologize this is late. It's time for me to total up everything I spent in the month of September. We're in October already, but hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, since we already know that, I am going to get where I wrote all the nice things I bought down and see what I actually spent. I know that I'm going to be over budget for eating out, definitely. I'm not so sure about groceries. Gas, I'm a little on. And I shouldn't have anything in activities or health. So some of that money will go towards the unbudgeted things that I spent last month. Okay, let's get to calculating. Total for groceries, $620.80. $620.80, which is under budget by $129.20. Okay. Next, we shall do the same for eating out. Okay. That's $255.17. Interesting. Which is $5.17 over. Now, it's actually more than this. It is actually more than this. I did not include some of the monies that I spent eating out while I was away on my trip. And the reason is because I think I figured if I was at home, I would not have eaten out or something or the other. May or may not be true, but I'm just going to put all these. There's actually more. I don't know why this is incomplete. Oh, I know why this is incomplete. There is a car rental expense that was repaid, but the hotel is here. And there's some cash that I spent that I thought I was going to be able to keep track of it. I couldn't keep track of it to the exact dollar. So that's that. Now let's talk about gas. Okay. Gas is $250.66. It is interesting, which is $149 under budget. Okay. And I spent $0 on both these items. $0 here and $0 here, which leaves me with $50 and $50. let's see what the totals and their differences were. Oh, oh no, I don't think, I'm not going to put a total. I'm just going to put, I should just call it unbudgeted, emergency. Yeah, whatever I spent on emergency. So let's see, my plane ticket was $420, and then I bought some groceries and food and gas for the rental car and a hotel. $676 and $50. Yes. The actual amount is closer to 1,000. And where's the red? Sorry. So I'm just going to call this. I can squeeze that in here. I think I'm just going to squeeze it in here. Yeah. Call it the unbudgeted. Well, it's not budgeted, so I don't know exactly what to put here because this is slightly inaccurate because of the cash. I'm just going to call it 800. And the amounts or the monies for these came from two different places. One came from my 52 weeks of saving fund, and the other just came from emergency. Yes. If you've not heard of the 52 weeks of savings, it's a small savings scheme where you save an amount each week to get to about $1,300 at the end of the year. I do mine starting in August because I like to go on some sort of vacation when TJ returns from the summer or when TJ's on his summer break, which is why mine is August to July or thereabout instead of January to December like most people. I'm just going to call this $800. Yes, and that would be 800. Ooh. So I'm not going to do a total, well, I guess there's no point. Let's see. Minus 517 plus 129.20 plus 149.34 plus 50 minus 800 plus 50. Yeah, so total I was about negative $416.29 in the hole. Now my intention was to pay up to $500 for Amazon last month. That didn't happen. I just paid this $300, paid this $150, paid this $100. But so far this month I've already paid about half of what was left to do. So that's that. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. Take care.